Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how I'm using my new device, the NuFACE. I really like that device and I have been using it for about a week and I absolutely love the results. It's really lifting my cheekbones, it's working on my muscles, slight contraction, and it's good to be used every day, at least 5 days a week. It's based on a microcurrent that really activates the muscles and it improves the muscle tone of the face, facial tone, and gives you that lifting effect. So it's absolutely great for sagging looking skin and muscles because we lose some muscle tone as we age. So let me show you now how I'm using that. So I've got the gel with me. It's from the same company. Usually do recommend to use it from the same company. It's really good. So I'll just open it and I'll show you the best points how to use it and how long you should wait. It's not necessary to do that treatment for longer. Usually the protocol says 5 minutes a day only for the first 2 months, and then you can increase, but in general I'll show you now. So we need a good amount of gel, conducting gel. You might feel slight tingling, which is very normal. If you feel too much, you can just apply a little bit more gel, and I'll just turn on my device just like that, and then I will hold it like this, yeah, just off the center for 2 beeps, and you can hold a bit tight. You need to apply a little bit of pressure. It's fine. And then here it really tightens the muscle we have on the neck, we call platysma, and it's very tightening. So it's a great for this. So here we're gonna hold it like this. So it's 2 to 3 beeps. I will move a bit. And I will repeat exactly the same on the other side. So I finish with my neck first. Okay. We don't go over the thyroid gland. Usually it's not recommended with pretty much any treatment. I can feel a little bit of tingling though, which is really normal. If you didn't know, NuFACE is the only one device that is FDA approved. Dun, dun, dun. So I turn it off. Good. So I've just completed my NuFACE treatment. I absolutely love it. Make sure, guys, to apply your sunscreen. Other than that, you can just go back to normal activities. It's absolutely fine. Close your gel and you're good to go. I would advise no more than 10 minutes. Just follow those steps and you will have a great results. You'll see the results in literally a few days time, and just you will enjoy so much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like that video, please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see more videos like that, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know how do you feel in a few days time, or let me know about your experience with NuFACE. If you would like to ask me something about related to that treatment, please put your questions on the section below and I'll get back to you. Thank you, guys. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. Mwah.